Hey you guys, it's me Trudy, and it has been just a little bit since I've been on here, so I do apologize for that. But I have a really wonderful video for you guys today. I do have a haul. It's been an accumulated haul, and I want to go ahead and share that with you. So sit back, go grab something to drink, and I'm going to come back because I have a little bit of Amazon, Dollar Tree, and Hobby Lobby. And then I have some painty paper I want to show you too that I really was enjoying making. So go ahead and do that, and I will be right back with all my stuff. Cardstock, foil cardstock. And look, they're just, so you have two gold, two silver, no, three silver, a red, a blue, and a green. I did not know that, so you guys, so just keep that in mind when you're going to get your, if you're going to get those, they are different colors. Okay, then we have these are rub-on transfers, and I have not tried Dollar Tree rub-on transfers. I don't think. I do want to try them. They have some projects on here. I think that I'm going to try to do this. I bought these because I'm going to paint these. I want to try to put some maybe some words on here. These, okay, so let's do one thing at a time, Trudy. So we got the rub-on transfers. Those are really nice. I love those. And then I picked these up because I have not seen these. These are puffy, and there's 8 of them. And even if I don't like the color, I can always use alcohol inks on them. So they're blue, though. These are blue. And then I picked these up. These are cutting dies, and these are really cute. This one is really cute for like clouds, and then they have the stars, and then this one. I don't have those, so I thought I'd get those. Audrey and I went to a new Dollar Tree. These are the little bunny butts, you guys. I just think they're so adorable. Yep. And I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but they won't go to waste, that's for sure. This one is a little camper, little retro travel trailer, and it says Butterfly Kisses, and that is for my camper, and it can be in there all year long just to bring something pretty in there. And then I just really like these. I'm doing a I'm reading a book, and it's all about gratitude, and I just, every time I'm seeing thankful and stuff, I am gravitated to that. So this is, and I'm also working in the backyard with some plants and trying to rearrange because we're starting from ground zero. And then I got these. I have some tissue that I use, but I thought I'd try these. These seem like a little bit thicker. And so I'm going to use these. These are just, I like that. I always use paper. So, and, and then I picked 2 of these up. I want to decoupage these with some Tim Holtz items. These, I wanted to see if something, let me see. Okay. All right. So I picked these up because I wanted to see if these index cards, what size are these? Hold on, because I think, yeah, so these are 4x6 index cards, and I wanted them to go in here. So I want to do art on these, you guys. I already did, where is it? Somewhere here on my table. Oh well, I can't find it right now. But anyways, I was doing some backgrounds on some these. Anyways, you guys, well-being. So I'm going to tell you guys a little story. So a little story time. So I have been having stomach issues, and keep in mind I had some issues with my neck and some pain, and I went to the doctor. They were saying I need surgery. I'm not doing any surgery, so I want to do all, well, let's just say I'm not opposed to any, you know, medical treatments, but I want to just really focus on healing myself holistically, and so I focus on that. So anyways, I was taking something for my, it wasn't pain pills, but they were just like nerve blocks or things like that for my neck. And I noticed I started getting a lot of stomach aches. And so then I got sick, and you guys remember that. And then I ended up getting bronchitis, and it was just that roller coaster of like sicker and sicker. So I got bronchitis, and then they gave me more medication. So then I'm on steroids. I'm on neck pain. I'm on, yeah, just you get the picture. But my stomach, meanwhile, was just going nuts. So I decided enough's enough. I was done. So I totally took myself off of everything, you guys. Totally detoxed. Because I had to figure this out. And so I had to really think, how am I feeling? You know, try to, you know, like identify that, you know, and I was not feeling good. Like, this is no excuse, because I gave you guys my word that I would be here to do these videos, but boy, I've struggled, seriously. Alright, what I'm doing here is putting out my Amazon, because I got some stuff from Amazon. And I got that. Let's see, I got that from Hobby Lobby. I got that from Amazon. And that from Hobby Lobby. And Hobby Lobby. What else? Oh, I got this from Amazon. I finally got these. I've been trying to get these from Michaels. They have Scorched Timber and the ink and the oxide. So I got those. And then I got these. These are the number strips. I've been wanting these, and every time I go to Hobby Lobby, they don't have these. So I've been wanting those. And then I got these. But these, you guys, these were 1 inch, and I wanted a 1/2 inch because I have a project in mind. I'm going to try to work these out to see if they work. I'm not sure yet. I might keep them and buy the other ones, but I'm not sure. And then this one, so I took myself off the medication, and it took me about a week before I felt better. I'm feeling so much better now, you guys. I stopped taking everything, and I do, well, okay, well, that's why it's not open. Let me open this. Let me find something to open it. So I wanted to take some, you know, natural supplements. I wanted to take some to eat healthier, and to take some supplements for that. So this is something I got on Amazon, and I wanted this because I want to do this to make some closures on some oh, these are little. That's cool. These are cool. Yeah, love that. I wanted to make some closures on my can't even think. Junk journals. There you go. So yeah, so these are going to be awesome. Okay, so I have a project for you guys for that, and I will take you along. But anyway, so I think that's it. Oh no, I have Hobby Lobby. So I started to, because I want to be health. Let me just back up a little bit. So in 2019, I broke my ankle. Prior to that, I had gotten into the best shape of, that I have in a long time. lost some weight, felt good, everything was great, and then I broke my ankle, and then I was in bed, literally, because I broke it severely, and I was in bed for almost 5 months, you guys. That's when, you know, I got on YouTube. This is 2019, going into 2020. I had the first surgery, and then I had another surgery in February of 2020, then the lockdown, and then everybody was locked down, and yeah, so anyways, during that time, you know, so I broke my ankle, 2 surgeries, and then the lockdown, I gained some weight and started eating very unhealthy, and yeah, and I feel like I'm paying for it now. So now here we are, you know, almost 4 years later. What? Yeah, 3 years later. I mean, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4 years later. Wow. And, yeah, and I need to do something. So I just decided that's it. I'm done. And that's what I'm doing. And I'm trying to be healthy. And that's where I've been, you guys. That's the truth about it. Oh, these were another Amazon that I got. These were, I have a project in mind for those. So this, okay, so I got these because I wanted to make, so these were on sale for $1.24, the glitter. My little granddaughter loves working with glitter and anything she paints. But these I wanted because of those that wooden thing. Oh, okay, so I want to put them in that. So this is what I want. I wanted them for this. Wouldn't that look pretty? I'm going to put those on there. And then I'm going to have, and then it's going to be a little stand. Oh, I love it. So I got those. I think I got a couple of those. I'm pretty sure. No, I got the corners. All right, so I got those. And they weren't on sale, but I got them for that. So this is accumulated like the last 3-4 weeks, you guys. And then I got the corners for some books. I always get them. They're 99 cents. Usually get them when they're 40% off, but I always grab an extra one. I got these because I needed some cards stock, some things for my cards. I got this because I'm into mushrooms, very much into mushrooms. So I'm going to paint this, and this is going in my yard. And I have a little thing that I'm going to put it on. And then I got the Tim Holtz Organic, and I don't know what these look like. Let's open them up, show you guys. Let's move this. So yeah, so that's what's been going on, and just kind of threw me for a loop. But the other part about, you know, talk about, I noticed I was just short-tempered. I didn't have the patience. I mean, when you don't feel good, you guys, I don't know what, you know, about you, but I know when I don't feel good, it's like your whole system is, you know, kind of struggling, you know. Oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. So you have these. Let's see. Let me get something that's not busy. Okay, we'll put this. I always like this. So we have bird and Ness, Hansel Care, flower. Really pretty. These are gorgeous. They're cardstocky. In case, you know, that's not what you're looking for. They're pretty thick. These are pretty. These are encyclopedia. So that was my week, you guys. And it's been rough. I do have a Throwback Thursday for you. I'm working on it. It's just been rough trying to get it. I'm excited to share it with you guys, though. I love the little mushrooms. And I had some business meetings. I had to go to town. I do have to go out of town in another couple of weeks. And yeah, it's just been... And I'm sorry I'm not showing you guys in my... Oh, sorry. So, do not crush, perishable. So that's that. Other than that, that's about all that's going on. I guess the bottom line is I was feeling overwhelmed, and it was just, so I work full time. I do work from home, but it's still work full time. I have a house. I have, full right now. I have 3 dogs. It's just a lot. I'm trying to create as often as I can, and I don't want it to seem like work, so I do this the best I can as often as I can. I want to post 3 times a week. That's my goal, and it's just sometimes that's just unrealistic, especially when I don't feel well, and and I'm just not feeling it. I know, I need something. So, I mean, what I mean is, like, I know this is not going to be for forever. So I have another project, you guys, and this is part of it. And I got this at Hobby Lobby only because it was last minute, and I know that. I went to 2 Dollar Trees, and they didn't have any. I don't know if it's just seasonal, but they didn't have any, so I got this at Hobby Lobby. I know I have some in my stash. I'll have to look for that because I did use that for my mushroom ornaments. But I do have a really cute project for that I want to work on. And I got these pretty flowers. These are recollections from Michaels. I never look at flowers, but those caught my eye, and so I bought them. Yeah, so that's that. And then my mushroom, I'm going to paint that. I think this might be a camping painting project. We have a couple trips lined up pretty soon. And that's about it, you guys. That's what's been going on. So just be on the lookout. I know I'm posting that's my goal, post 3 days a week. I promise you I will do my best to do that. I don't want to come on here with just kind of like no content. I want everything to be well thought out and to be cohesive and flow. And so I want projects, and then I want quality videos too, So there you have it. And, I said I'm not really thrilled about doing haul videos, but I know, like I said, I know you guys are interested in that. And, maybe you can get, if you're looking for something, I know it's helpful. The other thing too is I am going to bring you guys on I decided, I had been like thinking I'm not going to do that, to bring you guys on my little journey of journaling with me. So I'm going to do that. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. I will see you guys. Oh, one more thing. I want to show you guys something. What do you think? This is a cover for a journal, and I love it. This is just scraping paint, you guys. So if you can't do anything, do something. Scrape paint. That's what I did. I just didn't have the energy to glue, do anything. I grabbed some paint and just started scraping. And you want to know what? That's not even on anything. It's on the cover of this canvas paper. I had it. I saw it. I liked the thickness of it. And now this is going to be a great sturdy cover. Yeah. So there you go. All right. I will talk to you guys later. I'll see you guys. Well, I won't see you, but anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.